seats here. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. LePera. As I mentioned before in the video, I was running Saddlemen and I have this one on order for a while, just arrived today. So we'll do a unveil here in a second. Anticipation. I haven't seen it yet, so this is a first glance. And looks good. Scissors real quick. So I decided to switch it up a little bit because the Saddleman that I had before was all black. I wanted to put some color in it. So I decided to go with black with yellow highlights. If you guys haven't noticed yet, this is a replica of Willie's seat that he's running, so shout out to Willie. Sorry I copied you, but I definitely love the seat and the scheme you did, so I called up the boys over at LePera and got the designs from them. Beautiful seat. So I'm definitely excited to compare the comfort of the two. From what I hear, the LePera is definitely a lot more comfortable than the Saddlemen, but everybody has their own opinion. And my wife, she does not like the Saddlemen when she rides because it's a little bit too hard on her buttocks, but I think the LePera, from what I've been told, is a lot softer, so we'll see about that. Anyways, definitely excited about it, and we'll give you guys an update here shortly. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning back into the channel. Today I'm going to go over the LePera seat that I just got in the mail. Super excited about it. It's been on order for a couple weeks now. As I mentioned in my previous video, I've been running this Saddlemen for several thousand miles. Just haven't felt right. You know, putting on some miles just around town or long distance, it just doesn't feel good. I get really bad cramps. My ass hurts, you know, from just sitting in it for a while or riding for a while. So definitely excited about the LePera. I've heard really good things about it. A lot of good feedback. People swear by it. So looking forward to running this seat. I mixed it up a little bit, threw in the yellow and the LePera branding on the side just because I think it definitely pops, keeping it a little bit more stylish. What else? Tailwhip, as I mentioned, double diamond stitching. The seating area, you can definitely tell on the LePera is a little bit wider than the Saddlemen. Obviously the Saddlemen is a little bit longer in length, and I put up the LePera. Saddleman definitely tucks in a little bit nicer on the tank. The LePera, I think, just from the design, since it's rounded rather than squared off, since a little bit lower on it, but the seating area is definitely a little bit larger than the Saddleman. I think also it's gonna sit up a little bit farther up front for me, so that's nice. I think on the Saddleman it was sitting a little bit farther back, so you can kind of tell from this angle. It's a little bit longer in the rear, but yeah, overall I'm pretty stoked about it. Let me flip these upside down, show you the back of them. So I think finish-wise on the back, I like that the LePera hides the finishing of the seat, so they wrap this nice finish, I don't know what it's called, a backing, I guess, on it, so you can not see the rivets and stuff like you do on the Saddleman. So I think that finish quality is definitely sets it a little bit apart from the Saddleman as well. And they don't have these backing, I don't know what they're called, backing stoppers on them. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys think the LePera looks a little bit better than the Saddleman. If not, let me know your comments. Hopefully the change to LePera is definitely gonna be worth it. And the weight, I think it definitely has a nice finish to it, and definitely makes the bike pop a little bit better than just the all black. Super excited to get on it, put some miles on it. Hopefully it's a lot more comfortable than my previous seat. And thanks again for tuning in. We'll catch you guys on the next one.